so empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me.
Hello guys, I'm here with my friend from Bangladesh.
Hello.
And his name is Rubel, right? Yes. So we live in the same apartment, and today we are going to do some winter hiking. Okay, so guys, keep watching till the end of the video. Let's see how it goes. Yeah,
There will be lots of fun, I hope.
Yeah.
There's lots of ice and snow.
Yeah.
And it used to be -20 about, but we're lucky that today is just -2. But
-2,
it's very comfortable.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna get some food like sausages and dry food, because of course during the hiking we'll get hungry and we're gonna eat something.
Yes. So also we have coffee from home. So now we're gonna buy some, biscuits or whatever we find, and some sausages. So our plan is to go there, make some fire, and enjoy the beautiful scene and things like that. So yeah, let's see.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
So guys, we are here in this place, so we can drive up to this location. So now we're gonna walk, we're gonna go for hiking. Yeah. So how far is the hiking place, Rubel?
Well, this is the place, this is the museum.
Yeah.
There is one fire cottage where we can grill.
Yes.
And people usually do ski. This is the ski track.
Okay.
And people walk also this way.
Okay,
So,
from this way.
Actually, I haven't explored this area yet.
Yeah.
Just except this, there is one lake.
Yes.
Which is I have been walking last time on the lake. This it was a thick sheet of ice.
Yes.
Now still we can walk on the lake, I believe, though it's getting plus now.
Yes.
But that area, if you go down, it's it's quite steep down.
Yes.
Downhill, and
Okay.
we can go there. We can walk a little bit there maybe first, and then we will find.
Okay.
We'll find around with the viewers, I think.
Yeah, guys. Actually, I'm gonna tell you, Rubel is like kind of adventurous guy. He goes around here and there a lot, and he knows so much more about the nature and things like that. And so I'm very impressed about him. That's the good thing. So yeah, let's go. They're downstairs.
Yeah.
So we can make fire. Okay.
Yeah. And there is one place where you can do sauna.
Yes.
And you can buy the smoked fish during the summertime, I think, because they're closed now.
So what kind of museum is this? Like
this
is natural museum.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, due to Corona and because we did not have mask with us, so we did not wanted to go inside, as it is not allowed to go inside. Sorry for that.
There is coming some truck.
So this is the really unknown road to us.
Okay.
Both of us, I haven't been here before.
So here is coming the truck.
It looks very beautiful. So people, but this road is not that busy either.
Did they have some restaurant or?
I don't know. They should have.
Yeah. Seems like there is something. And this is the end of the road, right? Yeah. This road end here. So is it like a ski place here?
Yeah, it's close. They come up with that cable.
Yeah.
And then they slide down.
So now here we came to this ski resort. you know,
Again, I
that's,
remember about my skis. I should have brought my ski here. Shit, man.
you know,
Again,
I'm happy you did not bring. You know why?
you'll be alone. I know.
Yeah, I will be alone.
Man, like, try to learn yourself, man. Ski, then you can go.
Definitely, it is always good like to learn. You know.
It feelings like Norway a little bit.
Yeah, look at this nature, man.
I never knew that in Espoo there is that kind
Wow.
of hilly area. So last time I was driving to that road,
Yes.
I have been inside, Nuxia National Park.
Yes.
It's maybe 8 to 10 kilometer
Okay.
that way
Yeah.
direction, and it was just only the forest,
Yeah.
not much.
Well, so this is where people only ski, right? This is the ski area. Ski hill. Aha, wow, look at this nature. And there is nobody on those. Yeah. Oh, let's go up there. So they have some place where you can make fire, right?
Yeah,
And have your
on
grill.
got a sack with you.
Yeah, if you have coffee. I mean, when it is sunny and you sit here,
Well,
enjoy
when
your.
it is sunny, you won't find this snowman.
Yeah, that's
No
true.
ski.
That's true. So
Every season is beautiful.
these things are here, and there is nobody in this. So this is the ski track.
All the way it goes inside the forest. You'll be lost.
Okay, tell me.
Okay. What people do, this is actually normal way,
Yes.
normal track.
Yes.
But still people are so adventurous.
Yes.
They take the off road.
Ah,
they,
yeah,
they
yeah,
like
yeah,
to walk
yeah.
even with they ski.
Yeah.
Even when it's not snow anything.
Yeah, yeah.
They just like to be on the off road.
Yeah,
And this is really really nice. And
Yeah.
if it's not windy,
Yeah.
then it's warm.
That's true. So no human being has been walking in this road except us. So you see now this is the steps from us, but before that nobody has been walking here.
This year. I mean this today.
Yeah, at least today. So here was coming one guy with the ski, and he told us like no human can walk in this ski trail. So we didn't know that. So now we need to find a way to get back to some other place. What do you say, Rubel?
Let's do that.
Yeah.
Do that.
So 5.7 kilometer. So we already walked this distance. So that was the museum. So we came down from these stairs, and so here we have this kind of tent, and there inside is fireplace. So here some kind of bench where you can come take your coffee or snacks and eat. And so hello Rubel.
Hi.
So Rubel is already
Cheers.
taking his
I'm very much
Coca-Cola.
thirsty.
Yeah, he's thirsty. So we have the fire ready, and we have some of our sausages and snacks here. So we're gonna grill and Relax. Now we already walk like 6.4 kilometer. So yeah.
Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
So they also have some eggs. Let's see if I'm good enough or not.
Not you are not strong enough, I think. Harder! Harder, Vinod, harder! So
Let's do one more time, okay?
Yeah!
Yes.
Heroes tonight,
Yes, guys. So finally we are done for the today. As you see,
It's time to go home.
Yeah, yeah,
It was a very nice day.
yeah. We will have
We
like
enjoyed it every bit.
yeah. We went wild also. We were the first human being to walk on the ski trail. You
Well,
know?
it was forbidden actually.
Yeah, it was forbidden. Well, actually, we didn't knew that, but anyway, we did it. So it was fun,
Yeah.
and we had
We
some.
came through.
Yeah, we had some grilly. I was even thinking we were lost at some point, you know, but no, it was.
Technology helped us.
Yeah. But now, yeah, thank you for watching the whole video, guys, and yeah, hopefully we're gonna make more videos together with Rubel, because this guy, he's like more knowledgeable with these nature things. So yeah, see you guys, and please do
Bye-bye.
subscribe our channel if you haven't done that, if you really like our videos. So, and keep supporting us, and take care. See you. Bye bye.